Welcome to Boxworks. How's everybody doing today? Our mission is to power how the world works together. We have a number of new major updates to our platform that we think are going to transform how you work with your most important unstructured data.
We are on a journey to become an AI-first company.
Box provides a set of foundational agents that can help you with your everyday productivity.
This is the set of capabilities that you need when dealing with unstructured content for AI.
Future's looking great because of Box AI.
With Box AI, we can't fail.
Everything we build isn't just for use within Box. It's intended to connect and power the work you do across your entire tech stack.
I love coming to the Expo Forward because then you get to have more informal conversations.
People are willing to share their insights with you.
I've met a lot of different people, and I'm seeing a lot of potential for how they could help our company out in the future.
The atmosphere at Boxworks is great. It's super social. People are really friendly, and they're extremely knowledgeable.
There's a really good energy in the air.
Definitely getting connected, networking. So it's been a good vibe.
We are incredibly excited around what the future of AI agents and enterprise content can look like. Thank you so much for coming out, and we'll see you guys next year.